The beauty with Hire a Hubby is that we can go out and do all types of different work. Broken toilet flushes, hanging mirrors, pictures. I also repair front door locks, outside lights. Every day, every hour is different. A typical customer will be people who are maybe single, or people who are not capable of doing these practical jobs, or who just don't have the tools. This is very rewarding to be able to do these jobs for people. So I make sure that I do a good job and that the customer's happy.
Communications to Hire a Hubby are key because we want happy customers, and happy customers are the ones that can get hold of you when they need you and know that you're going to respond and get back to them. The problem we had in the past was that we had a telephone system that wasn't really flexible. It didn't allow us to offer the service and the communication that we needed both to the franchisee and to the customer. With Vodafone we could get one system, one package that did everything, and with the one telephone number we don't miss a call.
With Vodafone, when the customer calls the 0800 number, they then get transferred through to the office. It's then emailed to me straight away, so when I'm out and about during the day, I get emails, texts, phone calls. It's very important because I need to be in contact with those customers as soon as possible.
One Net Business allowed us to develop the business the way we see it needs to go. It's given our franchisees the flexibility to be able to operate 24/7 virtually. And it's one less thing for us to worry about, and we can concentrate on our business. There are lots of things we need to consider as we're growing the business, but the communications isn't one of them. We know that the Vodafone system will grow with us. We've got it sorted.